Crispy, golden, and unbelievably satisfying. McDonald's Chicken McNuggets are more than just fast food. They're an icon. Whether you're dipping them in honey mustard or sweet and sour, or just savoring that crunch on its own, there's no denying that McNuggets hold a special place in our hearts. But have you ever paused mid-bite and thought, how do they make these so perfect every time? It's not just luck. It's a blend of science, innovation, and a process fine-tuned over decades. Here's a wild fact to get us started. Americans consume over 2.3 billion McNuggets annually. That's enough to wrap around the earth 100 times. And while we're all familiar with their crispy shell and tender center, their journey from farm to fryer is a story few truly understand. So today, on Food Factory Process, we're peeling back the layers of batter, literally, and uncovering the secret behind McDonald's most beloved chicken snack. Get ready for a deep dive into the factory process, the surprising science of consistency, and why McNuggets are more than just food, they're a cultural phenomenon. Chapter 1. The Origin of the McNugget. All right, folks, buckle up. We're going back to 1940, San Bernardino, California. Two brothers, Richard and Morris McDonald, had a big idea. Fast food, burgers and fries, made in a flash. But here's the twist. They weren't about fancy decor. They were all about speed. Fast food, fast service. That was their game changer. By the 1970s, America was craving something lighter. Enter chicken. McDonald's wasn't just going to serve chicken, they were going to reinvent it. Cue Rene Arend, a fine dining chef turned McDonald's secret weapon. His mission? Create a chicken item so good you'd forget about burgers. For a second. And in 1983, McNuggets were born. It didn't take long before McNuggets became the star of the show. They almost took the crown from the Big Mac. But let's be real, there's room for both, right? The chicken revolution had officially arrived, and McDonald's was ready to serve it up to millions of hungry folks, one nugget at a time. Chapter 2. McDonald's Chicken Nuggets Production. So, after the McDonald brothers turned fast food into a speed race, we thought, why not take chicken for a spin? But not just any chicken. We needed something crispy, juicy, and made in the blink of an eye. Enter the kitchen, where we brought the McNugget to life, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and ready faster than you can say, I'll have a 20-piece, please. Talk about fast food, huh? Sourcing and transporting the chicken. Now, before we even get to the kitchen, let's talk about where it all begins. The chicken. A great McNugget starts with great chicken, and McDonald's sources theirs from trusted suppliers with strict quality standards. Only the juiciest, most tender cuts make it to the kitchen, ready to be turned into your favorite nugget. But sourcing is just the start. Once selected, the chicken begins its journey in refrigerated trucks, staying fresh and safe no matter how far it travels. Whether it's headed to a busy city or a quiet town, it's all about getting that chicken to the kitchen at the perfect temperature. Every mile matters. McDonald's ensures the chicken stays fresh, stored in controlled environments until it's time to cook. And once it arrives, it's ready to be turned into nugget magic. Just like you wouldn't want a cold nugget, McDonald's ensures every piece stays fresh and at the right temperature. No shortcuts. Only the juiciest, freshest chicken makes it to the fryer. That's why every bite is as delicious as the first. processing the chicken and blending with seasonings. Okay, here we go. The journey starts at Tyson Foods, where chickens are processed with expert care. McDonald's uses only the best chicken breasts, because you can't make nuggets out of anything less than top-notch chicken. At the plant, the first step is removing the skin. While it's not glamorous, this is key to starting your nugget journey. Skilled workers and machines carefully peel off the skin with precision. After that, the chicken is trimmed with the best cuts, the breast and tenderloin, used for the nuggets. The rest is repurposed for other McDonald's dishes. Next, the chicken is ground into a smooth, sticky paste, which becomes the base for the nuggets. Now comes the fun part, seasoning. McDonald's secret spice blend, salt, pepper, and other secret ingredients, gives the nuggets their signature flavor. To keep everything juicy, a little chicken skin is mixed back in to help bind the paste and add moisture. This step ensures your nuggets stay tender and juicy inside, creating that satisfying bite every time. Shaping the nuggets and preparing the coating. After the chicken is seasoned, it's time to shape the nuggets. McDonald's uses 4 signature shapes: ball, bell, boot, and bow tie. These aren't just for aesthetics. They ensure each nugget cooks evenly and maintains its structure. Each nugget is carefully formed with consistency in mind, ensuring that every McNugget is the same size and shape, perfect for dipping. Now, the magic happens. Once shaped, the nuggets are dipped in beaten egg before being coated with a layer of breadcrumbs, creating the golden, crispy outer layer we all love. Next, the nuggets are coated in a second layer made from wheat and corn flour, adding extra crunch to every bite. The first layer of tempura batter seals in moisture, while the second, thicker layer provides the crunch. This dual-layer coating ensures the perfect balance of crispy and tender. This 2-step coating process is crucial for the crispy texture you expect from every McNugget. Without it, the texture would be uneven and the flavor not as satisfying. Flash frying and freezing. After the nuggets are coated in the perfect layers of batter and breadcrumbs, it's time for the flash frying process. The nuggets enter a large fryer where they are submerged in hot oil at high temperatures, typically around 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In just a few minutes, the outer layer crisps up to a golden brown, creating that signature crunch that everyone loves. The purpose of this quick frying is to set the outer coating and give the nuggets that crispy texture. Importantly, the chicken inside stays uncooked at this stage, ensuring it remains tender and juicy after the final cooking. As the nuggets come out of the fryer, they look crispy and golden, but they're not quite ready to eat yet. This brief fry helps the outer coating hold together during storage and transportation. To lock in the freshness and maintain the quality of the chicken inside, the nuggets are quickly moved to a freezing chamber. Here, they are exposed to sub-zero temperatures of around -18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, for a short period. This rapid freezing process prevents large ice crystals from forming inside the chicken, which can affect both the texture and flavor of the nuggets. By freezing them so quickly, the factory ensures that the nuggets will retain their juicy interior and crispy exterior once they're cooked at your local McDonald's. By the time the nuggets are fully frozen, their texture is preserved, and they're ready for the next step, packaging and shipping to McDonald's restaurants, where they'll be cooked to perfection for you to enjoy. Final inspection. Once the nuggets are frozen and ready for shipment, the next step is a thorough inspection. Skilled workers carefully check every batch to ensure the nuggets meet McDonald's high-quality standards. After the nuggets pass all quality checks, they're cleared for packaging and prepared for the next stage in their journey. Packaging and delivery. After passing inspection, the nuggets are moved to the packaging station. Here, they're carefully placed into boxes designed to keep them secure during transport. The packaging process involves sealing the boxes tightly to preserve the freshness of the nuggets and prevent any contamination. Each box is labeled and prepared for shipment to McDonald's restaurants. Once packaged, the nuggets are loaded onto delivery trucks ready for distribution. These trucks transport the frozen nuggets to McDonald's locations around the world, ensuring that each restaurant receives fresh, high-quality nuggets. Environmental and sustainability efforts. Every step of McDonald's production process is designed with sustainability in mind, ensuring that what we serve today is not only good for you, but also for the planet. At McDonald's, every meal starts with a commitment to the planet. One fry at a time, from sourcing sustainable ingredients to using recyclable packaging. By teaming up with franchisees and suppliers, emissions are cut, waste is reduced, and natural resources are protected, all with a focus on recycling and eco-friendly alternatives. From less packaging to better materials, every choice is made to create a more sustainable future. It's a big, happy meal for the planet, showing how saving the Earth can be just as fun as enjoying a meal. So next time you open that box of nuggets, remember, what you're holding isn't just a snack. It's the result of precision engineering, global supply chains, and decades of trial and taste testing perfection. From flash-frozen cuts to synchronized fryers, the journey of a McNugget is one of the most efficient and fascinating processes in modern food production. And this is just one chapter. On Food Factory Process, we explore how the world's most iconic foods are made, step by step, machine by machine. Hit subscribe to discover the factory secrets behind your everyday favorites. Because here, food isn't just made, it's engineered. Food Factory Process, where food meets precision.